love cheese.
And I love cheese too.
What are we making?
I don't know.
Okay. We're making a chaffle pizza.
A chaffle pizza.
A chaffle pizza. Do you know what a chaffle is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Can you tell me?
A chaffle is a cheese waffle. So, how about we get started? Do you want to mix everything together?
Yes.
Okay. So let's put all of our ingredients together.
I need this.
We have a teaspoon of cream cheese, softened, which I just put in the microwave because who has time to soften cream cheese? Got it? Okay, put it in there. Pick it up and just throw it in there. Now I mix together a pinch of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and an 1/8 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Do you want to put this in the bowl? Hold on tight. Boom, good job. Next, we've got 1 teaspoon of coconut flour.
Coconut flour.
We've got 1 egg white. I'm gonna help you with this because it's really heavy. You wanna put your both hands on the bowl and hold it together. Ready? 1, 2. We've got a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
I want to do the baking
Got it?
powder.
Ready? Be very careful.
Okay.
We have a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. You ready? Together. Woo! Then we mix it all together until it becomes as much like, I feel like this sound is so annoying. You mix it until it's very well incorporated and it's coming together kind of like a dough, the best way it can. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's plug in our waffle maker. This recipe is made for a mini waffle iron. The amount of batter that I had in here made about 1/2 of a full waffle, so 2 triangles. If you want to make more, you can just double the recipe and you'd be good to go. So we're gonna let this warm up. The recipe said that before you put the batter in, you should sprinkle the waffle iron with a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then after you put the batter in, you top it with a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Now this is very, very hot, so mommy's gonna do all this. You can just watch, okay? Do you wanna go color while mommy does this part?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, the waffle maker is ready. So I am going to take a little bit of cheese here. You can't really see that, can you? Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese, like that. Yep. I'm going to put my batter in. I don't know if I've been referencing this as batter or dough. So I put it in and then I sort of like push it around, sort of like make sure everything's even. And then you pretty much just eyeball it from here. It's supposed to be brown and golden and a little bit crispy, so it's totally up to you. But I personally feel that the extra crispiness anywhere you get it, whether it's from the waffle maker or the oven, is gonna enhance the taste. So even keep it in for another minute more or so. She's taking a break. I'll show you when I'm done what I think is a good look in terms of color and what's coming out the sides. Cheese, 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 cheese. You're gonna love it. That's a good distance we've got going. I personally got my setting, usually I keep it in the middle, but for this I've got it just a bit past. I have it at like 1 o'clock. You know what we can talk about in the meantime, Harlow? What sauce we're gonna use. Because...
Oh wow, that sounds yummy, yummy. 1 second.
Okay, you take a break for 1 second. Recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of sauce. Obviously they're small, so I say just eyeball how much you want because 4th cup serving size only has 2 total sugars, which means only 2 grams total for that. We're only using a few tablespoons for this recipe, which means that the total amount of carbs per serving in this is like 0.5. 0.5. We are gonna do just mozzarella cheese and pepperoni, which is what the recipe called for. So you could put whatever else that you wanted. I'm gonna check on this. Oh, that is looking so fine.
That's delicious too.
Is Panda coming to cook too? Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh. Okay,
so I'm gonna take this out now. Woo! I'm gonna unplug this because that's the smart thing to do. See if you can get a good look at that. Pretty much want the majority of it to look completely brown as I can. Here we go. I'm gonna go, whoop. I'm not gonna measure out for me because a big spoon is pretty close to a tablespoon. So if I just do 3 of these, I think we're good. Okay, now I'm gonna spread it across. And then Harlow, do you wanna help me put some cheese on the pizza?
Okay.
And we're gonna eat some.
I want to do it too.
Okay. Here, let me pull it closer to you. I don't know why I have it so far out of your reach. Probably because it's hot.
And now it's time to do the topping.
I think that's enough. Do you want to put a pepperoni on for me?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Pepperoni. I love pepperoni. Pepperoni is my favorite color. You have all one.
Right there at the top. Great. Exciting. Oven is preheated to 400. We pop this in for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna do 5.5 because I feel like it. 5.5 minutes, and then we will broil, and then we will devour. Who is that?
Olaf.
Olaf. Oh, cop car going off at Duncan. Oh, that looks so good. You haven't even broiled it yet. The recipe said that 1.5 minutes was ideal for her, and she did not lie because that's what I did the other day, and it worked out pretty good. So, I'm just gonna go a little more. I actually think it could be more. Oh. Yeah, I took it a little far now. I went too far. I got too cocky. But to be honest with you, I still think it's gonna be delish. Listen though, this is real life, right? Where you make something and it doesn't turn out the way you thought, or, I mean, that's a very extreme version. Or in this case, you're just kind of like, oops, I kind of biffed it. But you know what, I'm kind of glad it turned out this way because every time I do a recipe, 9 times out of 10, I mess something up along the way. This whole experience of finding recipes, making them, showing you how it goes with my daughter, but also just showing you the end result is fun to see what it's like when other people make recipes at home. Okay. Crispy.
Hey, you put something on here. Daddy, you just
Oh my gosh. I have to say, I thought that tonight I had made it too crispy. It actually adds to this. You go a little bit too far, you cook it a little bit too much, you broil it a little bit too much. Truly, you can't mess it up. This is next level for keto. Harlow, do you want to try a bite? She said no right now. I'm gonna give a close up here on how crispy it got, and it still tastes amazing. Casey, this is a game changer. Hey Harlow, do you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm going to pick it for you.
What?
I'm going to get a big pizza.
Do you want to try it before you go?
No.
No? Okay.